Good morning, Washington. This is Marianne Chihamba, and I'm going to give you a very exotic twist on a sea breeze. So I'm sure many of you have had sea breeze before. It's basically cranberry juice and grapefruit juice and vodka. So instead of using vodka, I am going to make this with a grapefruit soju. Now, soju is a Korean drink. It is about twice as alcoholic as wine. All right, so it does pack a punch, but they make it in fantastic flavors, and one of them is grapefruit. Now, I like to add 1 part soju and 1 part cranberry juice. Give it a good shake. And a pour. And a wedge of lime. It's both delicious and refreshing. And if your local liquor store doesn't carry soju, ask that they do, because it's fantastic. It comes out, as I said, in grapefruit, but it comes in a lot of other delicious flavors also. For more recipes and tips and information, just go to my website, gastrosoul.com, or my Facebook page, which is GastroSoul, or my Instagram, which is GastroSoulLady. I hope to see you next time.